Hey, mathematicians. Today we're doing lesson 20. We're on session 4, only 2 more days to go. And we're on page 467. It looks like this. Up at the top it says refine, which means we're really getting good at counting to 120. It says complete the example, then solve problems 1 through 3. All right, the example says fill in the blank spaces in the chart and write the missing number for each shape in the chart. So here you would say, okay, I'm going to fill in those blanks: 113, 114, 115, 116. And then it tells you, okay, there's a square covering this up. Square is 92, 93. The triangle is 87, 88. So you would write 88 in here. Circle is 109, 110. So you write 110 for the circle. That's completing that example. Then apply it. I have up here on the board. It says fill in the 3 blank spaces in the chart. And they have it all going except for right here it stops. So it says 65 in your books. And then it starts back up at 69. So we're going to do 65, 66, 67, 68. So remember, when you're counting by ones, the ones place is going to be changing. Okay, that is number 1 on that page. You turn the page, you have a whole new hundreds chart with some cool shapes and some numbers missing. So I'm going to erase this top one so we don't get confused. Now it says write the missing number for each shape in the chart. So they want you to find out what these numbers are and write them here. It also says fill in the blank spaces in the chart. So we're going to start there first because I have them written here. So the first one, it stops at 77 and it goes again at 81. So I wrote that up here, 77 to 81, and we're going to go through it together. So 77, we're just counting on by ones, 78, 79, 80, 81. So that would go here. The next one starts at 100 and kicks back up again at 104. So that's what I have here. So we're counting by ones, 101, 102, 103, 104. Now we need to go and find these shapes. The first one is a pentagon, and a pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, that's a pentagon. So you're going to go up here and find the pentagon. Oh, there it is. And it's covering up a number between 107 and 108. The number is 1 more than 107. It's 1 less than 109. It would be 108. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the star. There's the star. It's 1 more than 65. It's 1 less than 67. So the star would be 66. The square is 1 more than 31, 1 less than 32. I'm sorry, 33. So the square is 32. Now the circle is at the end. So if you notice, all of these have zeros. So it's 1 more than 49, which is 50. So the circle is 50. I think this is fun. It's like looking for patterns and what's the missing puzzle piece, that kind of thing. All right, on page 469, we are doing the example, and it walks you through what the missing star is. The star is number 85, so hopefully you can see why it's 85. Now it wants us to write the missing number for each shape in this chart, and it has a circle and it has a triangle. Triangle means 3 points. Tri means 3. Oh, that's hard. There we go, 3. Okay, write the missing number for each shape in the chart. So the first one is circle, okay? And the circle is 1 more than 87, 1 less than 89, 87, 88. So the circle is 88. Now the triangle is right here. It's 1 less than 106, and it's 1 greater than 104? 104, 105. Also, if you look, all of these in the ones places have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. These all start with 9s. So you see all those cool patterns. Okay, so the triangle is 105. Awesome. Next page. Page 470. Write the missing number for each shape in the chart. So we have, I'm gonna erase this. We have a square, and I'll write in equals. Square equals. This one again is a pentagon. Ooh, that's a wobbly pentagon, but you get the idea. And then a heart. All right, we'll start with the square. So the square is right in that first column. And if you notice, they all have 1s. So 71, 81, 91. Oh, yeah, that works because the next number is 92. So the square is 91. And then let's find the pentagon. The pentagon is in the very last column. And in this column, they all have zeros. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, pentagon is 60. That's one way to do it, is to go down and look for those patterns. You could also keep doing what we've been doing. 57, 58, 59, 60. The heart. The heart is 1 greater than 33, 1 less than 35. 33, 34, 35, 34. Now it says write the missing numbers in the chart. So it starts out at 71, and then there's 3 missing, and it goes to 75. So we're going to do 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay, there's another one missing. It's 100. It starts out at 109, and then there's 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, and then 113. So we're going to count 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Oh, and there's 1 missing. That's going to be 120. Okay, so 120. Awesome. Oh, and then the last one says draw an X on the number that is 1 more than 99. So we're going to find 99 right there. And we're going to find one that is 1 more. All you do is move 1 spot over there to 100. So you would find the number 100 and put an X through it, because it's asking you to put an X on the number that is 1 more than 99. All right, great job, friends. Almost done.